Good afternoon. You're watching English with Akram, and there's a debate here. And topic of the debate is that money versus education. What is more important? So this team is speaking in the favor of education, and this team is speaking in the favor of money. You have to.
Hello everyone. Today once again I am standing here to share my views on a very alluring and enticing and mesmerizing topic that is about the education versus money. Which one is more important for us? Well, I think that education is more important than the money. Why? Let's talk about it. Let's do some conversation on it. So at first, I would like to start my points with a quote that is learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking, and thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you perfect. Okay, it means education is everything. And now I would like to share my views on this topic that is about the employment. If you have education, so you will have more powerful job, and you will have an amazing job. And the when you have education, so the number of jobs will increase for you. That's it.
So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak about the money is good or education is good. So, firstly, I would like to speak about the of course money is good. So, firstly, I would like to talk about the those people they are not uneducated but however they are doing their own business. Means they are co-founder of something like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. And in the India also there are so many people they are not educated but however they are doing their own business. Like you can take example of Ambani also. He was not educated, but he Dhirubhai Ambani. Only educated people get respect. It's not like that. If you have money, so if you go in street, so everyone will give respect. If I give example of rich people, if he comes in a society at that time, what will you do? You will give respect to him or to her.
Okay, so at first I would like to give answer to my opponent as as she was mentioning about the respect, that only the rich people can get respect. So I don't think so, because a person who is educated, so definitely we will give respect to those people also, because we have to get knowledge from them.
Sister, I was not saying this only rich people will get sick. Ma'am, I was saying that with the educated people, rich people can also get respect
Okay,
also.
and she was mentioning about the people that without education we can earn money, and there are so many people. So can you give me any five names of those people?
I can give you three names. Just
Give
I
me
learned.
five names. I want
I have
five.
three names.
See,
Like,
there are so many people, but she doesn't know the name of only
I'm,
5
I'm,
people.
I'm giving.
That's the mentality
I'm
of
giving-
the people.
I'm
It's
giving-
the lack of knowledge.
I'm giving.
Lack of knowledge. Okay, now I would like to
Let
talk.
me give also. First, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Adani and Dhirubhai Ambani.
I would say that every person has not that much skills that they can open their own business. Okay, just some people are there who can run their business with their skills. Okay, so now I would like to talk about the development of the country. When the word development comes, so the word comes in our mind, that is education. How can we develop our country? With the help of education. Education plays a very crucial role in terms of the development of the country. When all the people of the country are educated, so then the country can be developed country. Like we can take the example of America, we can take the example of Japan, we can take the example of China. There are so many countries where focus where yeah where yeah
So
where
now
there is focus on education.
I want to give answer. You are saying that because of the education, our country can be developed. But without money, how we can develop when we don't have money? So how we build,
From where
build
will we get money? You tell me this thing.
from
The
business?
destination of the money is called education.
Okay, tell me that why in India people are not earning money. Even educated people they are not earning money. They are pulling a rickshaw. They are pulling a rickshaw. Why they are doing this thing?
You tell. You should have
Tell, I'm
knowledge.
asking question to you.
You tell when you are asking.
Okay, so without money we can't live. Without education we can live.
How can we live without education?
Means if you don't have money, so at that time, what will you do?
Okay, suppose you have money, you have start up your business,
Hmm.
but you don't have any kind of skill, you don't know, you don't have any kind of knowledge. So
Sister,
how can you run your business when you don't know the way?
at first
that where you
everyone
have to
fail.
go?
At first attempt, everyone fail in their business, and in the second and third attempt, everyone got
Same
a
with
success.
education. Same with education.
So who has